Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome to 10-Minute Tips in 2022. Welcome if you're watching live or on the recording or on Facebook Live. I'm Jennifer Hernandez here with my good friend, Kim Raymer. Good morning, Kim.
Good morning from Utah.
How are you?
I'm good. We're a little bit cold here.
We are too here in Chicagoland. It's sunny, but it's awfully chilly. It's below freezing. So Anyway, you could see I still have my Christmas tree up. It was supposed to come down yesterday, but I ran out of time and energy. So
well, mine's down, but I still have poinsettias sprinkled around the house. So
well, that's nice. I mean, I like winter things. Anyway, we could digress quickly here. So without further ado, we are going to hop into the specials for January, and we're going to share our screen. Kim, I think you're going to share your screen. And while she's doing that, because there's a fun new kit that Doterra is sharing, I wanted to just let everyone know, if you recall last month in December, for any 200-point order that everybody put in, Doterra was going to donate $5 toward the Sonaga Hospital in Somaliland. And if we matched it, that would create even more income. And so this is in a very destitute part of the world, a place actually where we rely on growers and farmers and distillers, et cetera, to harvest our frankincense, which is so precious for all of us and something that's so needed across the whole world for all of its many benefits. Their goal was $2 million. Excuse me. They exceeded the goal, and it was $2,264,545 went to this hospital. They've already seen thousands of patients, perform more than 100 surgeries, given mothers a safe place to deliver their babies, because that was also an issue, not having good prenatal care or delivery care. And so anyway, this is just the first year of this hospital, and there's going to be wonderful things to come. So I wanted to just give you all a report on that. So, okay, so Kim has the Doterra site pulled up.
Oh dear, can you see that all right?
I can.
Okay.
Well, we don't see somehow we don't see the picture, but we'll get into that, I guess.
No,
So
the picture did not. Let me just see if that.
you just put view program, maybe.
Excuse
I think
me?
it might show there. Oh no, on the green button, view program, underneath where you were.
I'm so sorry. I'm not sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
January, happy 2022, an exciting time as we look at new energy, new goals, and a very exciting time with the specials this month at Doterra. A new wellness program is launching this month, the Digestive Wellness Program. Details were in the January newsletter that many of you have received from Doterra, but it's also on the shop home site of Doterra. We love to show you the site so that you can see where to go and get more information on the products there. It's 3 different steps in the Digestive Wellness Program. This is $100 retail value, $75 wholesale. And it is, I can't wait to get my first one because I want this pill box, but, and I love the color of the little pouch. But every month for 3 months, and you can repeat and choose your program, you will get an amazing combination of products that will help to support your digestive system, healthy digestive system. And as we know, when our gut is happy, we're immune to different things, but when we keep our digestive tract on track. There are 3 different programs again. Each one is a little bit different, and each one does support you in taking care of those things that can happen as we just work through dealing with the foods that come into our life and the environment. So this is something that you really want to take a look at this month, and I encourage you to explore that.
Yeah, and I wanted to let everybody know too, like with each kit, there's these customizations that you can add on. The idea is that you educate yourself on what products help. And there's many different kinds. So like, maybe ginger works for one person, but peppermint works amazing for someone else. And there are QR codes that you can actually just use your phone's camera to access the information given by the code, and then it will take you right to the Doterra site and explain more. So you're walked through every single step. So the idea is that you get one of these kits. This one happens to be the digestive kit, but as you know, there are many other kits for targeted wellness that Doterra offers. And I think it's a beautiful platform. Plus you get some special freebies. There's that really cool O mug in the kit 2. And in kit 3, there's like, it looks like a little sunglass case holder, but it's for your PB Assist sachets, so you can have them everywhere you go.
Yeah.
The idea is to make this simple and easy and feel your best, right? I use.
Yeah, and just make it fun. So there's always a treat in each one of these kits, as there are with the other wellness kits. And you can add products that relate to the kit. In many of the other kits that we've had that are emotional, mood, and immune, you may need more of one product than the other, and you can add those for an incredible savings.
Yes. So you can start and stop anytime. If you don't stop, the kits will just keep going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Right.
But you know, you have the flexibility and freedom to get what you want, and we can help you if you need help customizing. So please let us know.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. So there is as you look at it, will tell you what's in your kit. Then you can go to each one individually, and you can look at each one of the products and see what you might want to add on to it. So a wonderful place to explore for targeted wellness in 2022.
Yes. And then we have 10% off of Arborvitae this month, which is a huge giant cypress tree found, oh, look at Kim's right on the ball, found in Canada. And the beautiful thing is it's been used for, hundreds of years with the native people there. And it's a very sacred tree. I think they've used the wood as totem, but they noticed that bugs do not infest even fallen trees. So, hey, there's something to that, right? But they actually pull the oil from the sawdust from the wood mills in the area. So there is absolutely nothing wasted. And what I love about Arborvitae, I love the smell of it. Some people don't care for it as much, but I think it's a beautiful woody smell. But I think of it as a tea tree oil, very potent cleansing oil, but it's super, super gentle. So you can use it with your pets, use it with the kiddos, and it's going to be powerful yet gentle.
Right. There's a good key here for what other oils it works well with. And also when you look at Arborvitae, it's also found in Terra Shield and Forgive blend. It's a beautiful oil to diffuse, but again, it's wonderful for facial, different facial applications in supporting our skin. And really, it's one that you can use when you're hiking. And then also, as Jen said, it has had emotional wellness benefits for hundreds of years. So for peace and calm, put that on your wrist.
So we all need it. So there's many oils that provide us with peace and calm. And of course, being a tree, it's very grounding. So that's beneficial too. And then lastly, so far that we know, Japanese peppermint is the product of the month. So if you have a loyalty order of 125 points or more by the 15th of the month, we get to try Japanese peppermint. And I can't wait to see how this smells in relation to the peppermint we have.
Right.
Oh, so it's found in Tamer, which is the kids' tummy blend. So here we are kind of focused on digestion, right? Because I think we've all treated ourselves over the holidays. I know I have. And time to give some love back to our gut.
Right. And we've all had we've had experiences with peppermint and all of its benefits. Those benefits are within Japanese peppermint, but there's just a little bit of different species here with the Japanese peppermint. So I think you're going to really enjoy the difference in smell with the chemistry in this particular peppermint. And when you think about menthol and methone are the primary chemical constituents in both essential oils, but they can contain slightly different profiles. So I think you're going to enjoy that.
Yes, and you can't purchase this. So which leads us to, actually, we are out of time, but we will be speaking this month about what to do with all your peppermint, because as we know, we get a peppermint for free anytime we renew our membership. And we're gonna, give you guys some pointers on how to use those, how to use it. There's tons of uses for peppermint. I personally wouldn't travel anywhere without it. So we're going to go over some of that for you, so you know what to do with it, right? And if you have any questions, or there's an oil in particular that you don't know what to do with, or a few, let us know. Shoot us an email, comment, please let us know. And we look forward to offering you lots of new topics this year and fun conversations. So we're happy to have you with us.
Yes, thanks for joining today. We'll catch up next Thursday.
Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye.
Bye-bye.